Oh, hello everyone. Don't mind me. Just fishing for my next big stab. You know what I mean. Oh, we got a nipple. Just like my grandpa always told me. Early bird gets my beer. So today we are going to be making tuna salad, or as I call it, a strip club on a Sunday sandwich. So the first thing we need to do is prepare our toppings. First thing I need is some green pepper. So I'm just going to take this jalapeno here, use some bio-geo-mathematics here, and voila. Now we're going to take this and appropriate some Chinese culture. Alright, next we're going to need some onions. Oh, shit. No worries, just pull out your old whatchamajig and fix her up. Then we're gonna give her the old ratatouille. Please wait. Oh no, I'm done listening to your cruel jokes. I made one mistake. How was I supposed to know that pineapple wasn't fuckable? No, that is not about you. Okay, I totally knew. That pineapple was thick as fuck. You idiotic fool. I am here to warn you about the mayonnaise. Why are you Russian? What? Why are you Russian? Because you voiced me, you I've heard enough. Now we're gonna add our clearly fresh tuna to the mix. Lick it. Yep. Smells like my wife. On a good day. Then we're gonna add a spoonful of the good old mayo. You don't get to decide how much you add. Well, 2 plus 2 is 3. No, 2 plus 2 is death. Oh no. I knew I should have gotten her quick. This is just like summer camp. You'd have never been to summer camp. A girl can dream, can't she? Not one such ugly as yourself. Fair. Why are we here? This is where all things go. What kind of things? Broken things such as yourself. I'm not broken, I'm just broke. This is same thing, is not? Yep, I can't lie. It's been fun talking to an onion, but I'm getting out of here. Yes, it is not that simple. Like hell it's not. I hate mayonnaise portals. Well, it looks like I'm shacking up with you. Well, it's been a year. A month. Same thing, isn't it? No. Man, I don't know what it is, but you seem a bit touchy. I have no words for you. What do you expect? I got hungry. That is not why I am upset. But why did you put this on my back? Let's just say I'm lonely without pineapples. If you didn't burn so much, I would have finished. What did you say? Nothing. Oh, Miracle Whip! Wait. How long has that been there? It has been that whole time. Why? Fuck it. I'm out! Freedom! Next we're going to spread some butter on our heating apparatus. Then throw your bread on there and let it toast. After you flip your toast, go ahead and add cheese on both sides of the sandwich because you're a fat ass like me. Throw your tuna on there, close it up, serve it up. Give it the old ratatouille, and boom! You got a sandwich that smells like my wife.